sounded really cool. Let's try to get his leg off.
Did they tell you how old it was when they gave it to you?
Oh yeah, look at
A couple years old, I guess.
That's his gut right there.
I've been thinking about because I've had quite a few infertile, python eggs. They eat eggs, but boy, they'd make a mess in there with that.
Yeah, you just do like in a bowl. That's like the only way to do it.
Put it over the top.
Yeah, so you
Put your hand in there. He's not poisonous or anything.
Nope. Not I.
Yeah, he's not that high.
He can't hurt you.
He's a pretty one.
Shoot, nope. I choose life.
Is he just grinding on that?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
just not.
You know what he's doing? He's getting the venom in his jaw, and he's getting it into that mouse.
The mouse is already dead.
He doesn't know that.
Oh yeah, he's really.
It's like perfect size for him too.
He's like dead.
Huh? You like that?
It's cool, huh, Ray?
I was like, where?
Yeah, don't put your hand in it though.
Oh yeah, look at his stomach. She hurt. That's his guts. Yes, guts. This is right.
Eat that thing fast.
I think he's fast.
He's got a vibrant head.
Yeah.
Like the clothes on his head are already vibrant.
He's been shedding. I soaked him down really good this last week. Well, I get that spray bottle thing. That,
Yeah, and just spray the heck out of it.
That weed killer thing, and I get it real wet in there. And he likes that. Likes the humidity. But yeah, most of the time I only see him in the evenings. He'll come out, and then he'll come out and he'll lay under that light, and he's usually always asleep.
Yeah.
What 90% of their life they spend sleeping.
Also, it's crazy. Like, people that actually do, have sightings of them, like come across them.
Yeah, look. He's eating it. He's eating it with no teeth.
Well, he has teeth. He just swallowing it. You see how big his bottom lip is, though? That's where he has the venom. You see how fat right here? How fat he has right here in his jaw? His jawline? That's where they have the venom. And the more they
Boy, you don't
bite
see
down.
that every day, guys.
How cool is
I saw
that?
his tongue.
How cool is that, huh? Look, he'll flick us in a second. Watch. Watch.
And I saw.
Once he's done, look at his tongue.
See? and I saw a little bit teeth.
He's
Yeah.
over looking at you like.
He does. They got really sharp teeth.
He's
He thinks he's Gene Simmons, huh?
He's biting him. Well, he's pretty cool.
Right, super cool. Look at that. Oh, he's on the prowl. He's like, where's more food?
Are you wondering if you could hold it?
One day, yeah, I'm gonna hold one. I'm gonna take it with a big one though. 'Cause that one's big, but
See? This is them.
Well, did you like that? Was that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
uh-oh.
See, girls don't like that kind of stuff. That's just what guys like, huh? Basically.